welcome back to my channel. So today I will show you how to make a very simple and easy beanie for adult. So since this is my ito yung order sa akin, so gagawan ko na siya ng tutorial para hitting two birds in one stone. Charot. So ano ba yung size ng isang adult? So, may makikita po kayong chart, hot sizes chart sa Google. Hanapin nyo na lang. So, for this one, head circumference is 21 to 22 inches. Recommended size ng beanie natin is 20 or 21 inches. Okay na yun. So, yung length niya, yung haba niya from top to bottom is 8 inches. Crown diameter is 6.75 inches. Okay? So for this project, I will use 8-ply poly cotton from R3 yarns and 3mm hook. So let's start. Magic ring. Make a magic ring. So this is how I make the magic ring. So but you can do it on with your own style. Okay? Make 12 double crochet. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, and then pull this tail so you can close up this ring. Okay, pull it tightly and then slip stitch on the top of the first double crochet, which is our chain of 2. So if you can see, count the chain 1, second chain, and this is the third chain. So this is where we're going to put this is where we're going to do the slip stitch. Okay, is it clear? Okay, if it's clear, then good. So before you slip stitch our yarn, this excess yarn should be put in between. Okay, para naka-safety siya at hindi siya mahuhugot. Chain 2, 1 and 2. So for the second round, what we need to do is increasing. So how are we going to do that? Just put 2 double crochet in 1 stitch. So this is 2 chains. This is count as 1 double crochet, and on the same stitch, we need to add 2 double crochet. So this is 1 and 2. Okay, so just repeat, increase on the next stitch, 1, 2, and again 1 and 2. So finish this round doing this pattern. Okay, if you can see, this is the last stitch. Okay, don't get so confused. This is our last stitch, and if you can see this one, this is where we start our second round. Okay, so put two double crochet on this stitch and check if you have total of 12 increase. Okay, so skip this one, the chain of 2, which is our starting point, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and this time we just need 1 more double crochet to be paired up with this double crochet, which is our chain of 2 at the beginning. So put it here, just next to it, there. And yung slip stitch, count the chain. So this is 1, 2, and 3. So on the third chain, this is where we going to slip stitch our yarn. Okay? Oh, you see? And now, for the third round, chain 2, 1, 2. Make 2 double crochet on the same stitch. 1 and 2. Then after that, 1 double crochet on the next one, 2 double crochet on the next stitch, 1 double crochet, increase, and 1 double crochet, increase. So for the third round, this is the pattern that we need to do. Okay, that 1 double crochet and increase, 1 double crochet and increase. Okay, until we reach the other side. So this is our last increase, 1 and 2 double crochet on the same stitch. Okay, we don't need to put another double crochet on this stitch, okay, because as you can see, the chain of 2 on the first on the beginning of our third round is counted as 1 double crochet. So that is 1 double crochet, and this is the next one is increase, double crochet, increase, double, increase, 1 double crochet, increase, and so on until we reach on this end. Okay, so the last pattern that we made is 2 double crochet, and the next one is 1 double crochet. So we just need to slip stitch. Okay, so this time chain of 2, 1, 2, and again double crochet on the same stitch, 1 and 2. So this time we need 2 double crochet, 2 double crochet in between of the increase. Okay, so this is our increase, so we need to make 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet before we increase. Okay, this is our increase, and just repeat the countings, 1 double crochet in a stitch and 1 double crochet in a stitch and increase. Okay, so for the fourth round, just carry on doing the increase, 2 double crochet and increase. Okay, so this is the last 2 double crochet in each stitches. So 1, 2, the next one will be increasing, 1 and 2, and 1 double crochet. So kahit na isa lang yung double crochet na yon, you don't have to worry because yung pair nito na double crochet in each stitches is nandun na sa first step na ginawa natin kanina. So the chain of 2 is counted as 1 double crochet. So ito na yon. Okay, slip stitch 1, 2, 3 on the third chain of the yan. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4 on the 5th round, chain of 2, and then increase on the same stitch, and then let's make 3 double crochet. This is 1 and 2 and 3. So increase, after increase, 1, 2 and 3. Okay, After 3 double crochet, increase again. And so on. Just repeat again the pattern for this round. Now we are down to the last 3 double crochet. So this is 1 double crochet, 2, and this is the third one before increase. Okay, so slip stitch again on the third chain. So that is the top of the double crochet. Okay, para malinis ang inyong joining, hindi masyadong halata. Okay, and now if you can see, it's getting bigger now, and we need to check the diameter of our crown. So this part is the bunbunan of our head. That is what we call crown diameter. So 6.75. So 6.75. Let's check. So 4.5. Okay, so we need to add more round of increasing. So okay, let's continue. Chain 2, 1, 2, increase on the same stitch, 1 and 2. Okay, so 4 double crochet in between, increase. Wait, may langgam. So that is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Increase, 1 and 2. 2 double crochet in the same stitch, and then 4 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Increase, 1 and 2 double crochet on the same stitch, and so on. Just repeat the pattern. Very easy. Okay, and now this is our last increase for this round, and then let's work on a double crochet. Let's work on 4. So this is 1 and 2 and 3, and the fourth one is over there. Okay, so slip stitch. Tada! Okay, let's check it again for the measurement. It's getting bigger now. At mga kapatid, itong technique na to is pwedeng ganito ang gawin niyo sa coaster. Okay, so ganyan lang kalinis po ang coaster natin. Okay, so this tutorial, you will learn how to make a perfect shape beanie, and at the same time you are learning how to do a simple coaster. Wow, English. I'm bleeding. So let's check it. We have 5 inches now. So if we are going to add one more round, what will be the result? So 2 rounds is equivalent to 1 inch. So adding one more round is adding 1 inch of the size. So that will be 6 inches. So like this. But this time we need to stop increasing so that we can achieve the shape that you want. Like you know the perfect curve. The perfect curve of our beanie. So this time what we need to do is chain 2 and just put double crochet in every stitches. Okay, so 3, 4, 5, 6, 70, 71, 72. So we need to have a total of 72 double crochet for the 7th round. Okay, slip stitch. Okay, as you can see, ayan na siya. Oh, di ba? Nag-curve na siya para na siyang mangkok. Okay, so this time, yung dahilan kung bakit nagpa-flat yung inyong ganun is baka dire-diretso yung increase ninyo, tapos hindi kayo naglagay ng like this one, no increase sa pagitan ng increasing of every round. So this time, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. For the 8th round, we need to do the increasing again. So the previous increasing, which is this round before this, so that is increase 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 double crochet in every increase. So this time we need 5 double crochet in every increase. So chain of 2, 1 and 2, increase on the same stitch and make 5 double crochet in between of the increase. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Double check, increase 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then increase, double crochet on the same stitch, make another 5 double crochet, 1 in every stitches, tama ba? 2, 3, 4 and 5, and increase again. Okay, so just carry on until we reach the other side. This is our last increase because we are nearing to the end, and this is our last 5 double crochet. So that is, this is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Okay, slip stitch, and let's check the diameter of our crown. So just force it to get flat. Force it to flatten, okay? And then check. So we have 6.4 inches. So what we need daw sa ating crown is 6.75 inches. But the problem is we cannot get this perfectly 6.75 because if we add another round, like what I said, one more round is equivalent to 1 inch, okay? So because this is 0.5 on the other side and then 0.5 on the other side is total of 1 inch. So stop increasing and no more increasing, and just carry on doing 1 double crochet in every stitches. Okay, so chain of 2, 1 double crochet on the same stitch, 1 double crochet on the next one, 1 double crochet on the next one, and so on, mga kapatid. Okay, we are down to few stitches of our double crochet, and this is the last double crochet and slip stitch. Okay, now we just need to repeat this pattern without increasing until we get the length of 8 inches. Okay, but if you want to put design on the bottom part of our beanie, like you want to add rounds of single crochet, so keep doing the rounds of double crochet until 7.5 inches, and then the 0.5 inch is for the rounds of single crochet. Okay, so let's see what we can do on this simple beanie. I'll see you after 6 inches length. After how many rounds, or let's say when we reach the length of 6 inches, let's stop right there. Okay, so at least we can add some designs, or let's see. Okay, so how many rows is that? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 rounds, I mean, not rows. Okay, 16 rounds. On the 17th round, we have to do this. So this is our joining, right? So fold it like this, and then get the center part. So this is our front. Put stitch marker. Oh my gosh, I don't have stitch marker, so put anything to mark your stitch. Okay, so this is the center part, and continue making double crochet. So this is the center part. So this is the chain 1 2 3 4 5. So we need to mark our center to make some design or arte ganyan. So chain 2, 1 2, double crochet on the same stitch, double crochet all the way to the center. I will tell you when to stop. So just carry on. Double crochet, double crochet. So for this size, what I told you was this is for adult, right? But you know, adult cannot be just small like this, because we have a lot of you know, sizes for the head. Adult can be large head, medium, or small. So this one, what I am making now is for the small size. For the small size of an adult head. Okay. So this is measurement for my head also. And when I tried it to my daughter, which is 6 years old, it fits. It fits too. So this polycotton is kind of stretchy. Okay. And now we are nearing to the center. So from your marker, count as 1, 1, 2, 3. And then add one more, add 2 more, double crochet, 1, 2. And then after that, single crochet on the next stitch. Single crochet, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Single crochet for the total of 5 single crochet. Yeah. And then repeat the double crochet pattern stitches. Okay, all the way to the end, all the way there. And now down to the last stitch, 1 double crochet and slip stitch. So 1, 1, 2, 3, slip stitch doon on the top, the chain top. And then just repeat the same pattern. Okay, stop making double crochet and make another 5 single crochet, and then carry on making double crochet. Okay. So let's repeat this pattern until we reach the length of 8 inches. Wait a minute, I gotta find my 8 inches. Okay, so we have now here. Okay, don't measure here on this side. Okay, wait a minute. So 7. Okay, until we get the length of 8 inches. And now we are down to our few stitches, to our few double crochets. And there you go, slip stitch. Okay. If you're going to do this pattern and you have you see a little problem in between of the joining, like for example, you slip stitch and you can see gapped, right? So some people will you know, some people seems to have a problem in between of the slip stitch. So all you have to do is insert your hook, and then just pull your yarn tightly and then do the slip stitch, okay? But if you still cannot get what I mean, what you can do is to this you see this last stitch, right? Insert your hook, grab your yarn, insert your hook on this hole, grab your yarn, and grab your yarn, pull, and ta-da! Slip stitch. So there's no visible hole there, okay? So that's the choices, that's the option that you can do to avoid the visible hole, okay? And then cut your yarn, chain one, and then cut your yarn, and then pull and weave your excess yarn. So this is how it looks like. So then, and now let's just add some flowers so it looks more classy and beautiful. So let's see what color will be nice. So I have a lot of flowers here that, you know, practice for my practice. Does this look nice? No, wait. This way. Or we go this way? No, this one is better. Okay, we just need to use E7000 for this, or if you have a lot of time, you just, you know, try to stitch or sew it there. Okay, so that's all, and don't forget to subscribe and don't skip ads. I should tell this on the first part of my video, but it's okay. So thank you for watching. Bye bye, stay safe. Mwah, mwah.